प्रभातं छात्राः। अष्टमः पाठः संसारसागरस्य नायकाः। In this lesson we are going to learn about those very good ancient architects who were building many ponds all around our society, and those who were building houses, doing other construction works, putting fence and planning the construction of different buildings. So here samsara means world. Samsara, this world itself called considered as sagaram, like a ocean. So samsara sagaraha means this ocean of this world. Means if whole world is considered as ocean, then these people, those who are doing construction work and those who used to make this society beautiful, were considered as leaders. Therefore this lesson is named as Samsara Sagarasya Nayakaha. So in this lesson we are going to discuss about the greatness of those people who were building many ponds all around the society and used to protect water resources. But as we started to think that we are developed and we are scientifically developed a lot, then we started to forget these people and value of those ponds built by the people, those who called as Samsara Sagarasya Nayakaha. Because of that, we are struggling for water nowadays. Ancient ponds used to improve water resources and that used to increase underground water level. But as scientific development, we started to dig bore wells, by which we started to suck water from the underground directly, and there is no scope to improve underground water level through the borewell system. Therefore we are suffering a lot for water nowadays. So in this occasion, let us remember those people who were building ponds and used to protect our society very well. के आसन्ते अज्ञातनामानः शतशः सहस्रशः तडागाः सहसैव शून्यात् न प्रकटीभूताः. के आसन् ते अज्ञातनामानः शतशः सहस्रशः तडागाः सहसैव शून्यात् न प्रकटीभूताः. So के आसन्ते अज्ञातनामानः. Ajnata means those unknown people. Nowadays they became unknown. Those who were building ponds all around the world became unknown for us. So they are called as Ajnata. Who are those unknown people? Shatashaha Sahasraha Tadagaha. These of hundreds and thousands of ponds didn't appear all of a sudden from the zero. Means all of a sudden by magic it is not appeared. These ponds all around our society appeared because of the hard work of these people. So we are going to learn these unknown people who were building hundreds and thousands of ponds all around the world. Who were those unknown people? Thousands of ponds never appeared from zero, means or nothing. In the lesson we are talking about those people who were building ponds in our society. Ke, who, asan, were, te, those, ajnata namanaha, unknown, shatashaha, hundreds, sahasrashaha, thousands. इमे एव तडागाः अत्र संसारसागराः इति. एतेषाम् आयोजनस्य नेपथ्ये निर्मापयितॄणाम् एककं निर्मातॄणां दशकम् आसीत्. इमे एव तडागाः अत्र संसारसागराः इति एतेषाम् आयोजनस्य नेपथ्ये निर्मापयितॄणाम् एककं निर्मातॄणां दशकं च आसीत्. इमे एव तडागाः, दीस् पाण्ड्स्, अत्र संसारसागराः इति is considered, these ponds are considered as samsarasagaraha in this lesson, means ocean of this society. Etesham ayojanasya nepatye, behind the construction of these ponds, nirmapayitrinam ekakam, means many people, those who are building or funding to build this these ponds, and nirmatrinam dashakam cha, and many tens of construction workers were there. So collective effort of builders or people, those who are funding to construct, and construction workers are there behind this construction of these ponds. These ponds only called as ocean of society. Behind these works there were many people to sponsor and so many construction workers. Tadagaha, ponds, sahasaiva, suddenly, shunyat, from zero, na, not, prakati bhutaha, appeared. Nepatye, behind, nirmapayitrinam, builders, ekakam, once, nirmatrinam, construction workers, dashakam, tens. May these tadagaha, ponds, atra, here, samsarasagaraha, ocean of society, etesham, of these, ayojanasya, arrangement. So children, learn this part today. Let us continue with more details of this lesson tomorrow. Thank you children.